Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday and I'm having a little bit of anxiety today, so I can't concentrate on something, and I wasn't sure if I was gonna film this video or not, but I guess the best way to fight the anxiety for me is to do things that I know that I have to do and I just keep leaving for later. I think that's gonna help me, so I decided just to do it anyway. So sorry if I don't talk that much on this video. I actually talked a lot on the other video, the last video, so I think we're gonna be fine now. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna design some pictures for my Instagram stories because I want to promote my products on my Etsy shop. It's been a little bit slow, so I want to push them a little bit, and I have an idea of a little e-market, or yeah, online market, something I want to do on Instagram. So I want you to see how I designed it, and I also want to work on my products because I'll show you in a little bit, but I have a mess and I need to see the stock or how much stuff I have so I can update my Etsy shop on that too. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So keep me company, let's listen to some podcasts and drink coffee. And sorry if I don't talk again. Maybe I'm just gonna come back to say goodbye. I don't know. Let's see how I feel. So keep me company and let's do this together. So I just cleaned my little Etsy shop. That little cart that you saw, it's my Etsy shop. I have everything there except for the shipping supplies, which I have up there, but that's all the stock I have of products. So now that it's a little bit more organized and I uploaded or uploaded, I don't know how you say it, but like now my stock it's fine. Like I know how many products I have of each one, and I like that to have a better control. And I also have to buy some new stuff that they sold out. Sorry guys, today I'm super extra sleepy. Actually, I'm having my second coffee, or third coffee today because I'm super tired, super sleepy. I don't know why, maybe it's the weather, who knows. So sorry if my English is extra bad today, but you understand what I'm trying to say, right? I hope you do. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work on these illustrations or pictures that I want to post on my Instagram stories. I'm a very introvert person and we are in a pandemic, so I don't feel good going outside promoting my stuff in New York. I think even if we weren't in a pandemic, I'm a very introvert and shy person. So I'm not that kind of person that is gonna go outside and sell my products on the street yet, maybe one day. So if I have to promote them, it has to be through my website, through my Etsy, with Etsy ads, or it has to be through my Instagram or my Twitter or through John, because I'm just not gonna go out by myself doing it. It's just like not my style because I'm too shy. But maybe one day I'll have the courage to do it. But for now, I'm gonna do this little Insta market. I'm gonna show you. Maybe it's a crazy idea, maybe it's gonna look like spam, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So stay with me and see what I'm talking about, because my English really is really bad today.